Hello dear students, good afternoon. Again I am here, your maths teacher, for something new with new topic for your online classes of Gokuldas Public School. Okay, I hope you have done the homework that I have given you in our last lecture. What we have done in our last lecture? Let's recall it. So we have done in our last lecture is addition facts. What we have done in our last lecture? Addition facts. Okay, so what was that addition fact? Have you remember that if we add the number by changing its order, there is no change in its result. अगर हम किसी भी नंबर को उसका ऑर्डर चेंज करके ऐड करते हैं, so the result, that means the answer is same. There is no change in the answer, in the result. Okay, and I have given you homework that add by forward counting. Have you done that? I hope all of you have done, and check your answers. Okay, so first check your answer. Open page number 63. The homework that I have given you is on page number 63. So open page number 63 and check your answers. So first let us count. What is the question? So where is question written? Do you know? This hand. Okay, and this box. Inside this box the question is given. So count forward with me. It is very easy. So what is the meaning of counting forward? You know what is the meaning of counting? To count a numbers is known as counting, but counting forward. You know what is the meaning of forward? Forward means आगे की तरफ. Okay, आगे की ओर. So counting forwards mean count the numbers forward. आगे की ओर counting करना. Okay, if I am counting 1, 2, so after 2 which number will come? 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this way we are counting forward. So in the same way we have to fill in the boxes by writing a number by counting forward. Okay, so the in first 3 plus 2 is written. Okay, so how do you count it? See how many hands are there in the first column? 1, 2 and 3, and the number 1, 2 and 3 is written, and in the next part after plus 2 are there. Okay, so we didn't count it like this 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. हम ऐसे नहीं count करेंगे. Why? Because we have to count the given hands by forward counting. So see 1, 2 and 3, and after 3 which number will come? 4 and 5, because only 2 hands are there. So we will count it like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the answer? 5. So inside the box, that means the sum of 2 and 3 will become 5. So inside the box which number will come? 5. So it is already done. So we start from the next question, that is how many hands are there in the starting? 1 and 2. So after 2 start counting. The number is also written 3, 4, 5 and 6. So how many total hands are there? 6. So inside the box what number you will write? 6. And the answer of 2 plus 4 is also 6. So what is the answer of second question? 6. So I hope all of you have written 6. Okay, the next question. First, how many hands are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? 4. And after that only 1. So after counting, forward counting after 4, 5. So write 5 in the box, and 4 plus 1 is also 5. Now the next question. 1, 2. Now start counting. Forward counting after 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So inside the box write 7, and 2 plus 5 is also 7. So we can count the numbers also by forward counting. Okay. Now the last question. Count starting from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many hands are there? 8. So inside the box write 8. And the sum of 3 and 5 is also 8. So in this way I hope all of you have done your homework and have done it correctly. I hope all of you have checked your answers also, and all the answers should be correct. If it is not correct, erase it and write the correct answer. Okay. Now today we are going to start the new topic, that is subtraction. So for that, all of you open your notebooks, your books, and today I am going to explain you. So when I tell you to write, at that time you start writing. Otherwise, what I am explaining you, simply you sit straight and only listen and understand. Okay. So our today's topic is subtraction. Addition already we have done. subtraction. 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 Do you know what is subtraction? Have you done subtraction questions in your class UKG? I hope all of you have done. So today's topic is subtraction. Okay. So do you know what is subtraction? Subtraction means taking things away. Taking things away. Anything which is taken away is known as subtraction. For example, if you are having 5 mangoes, okay, if you are having 5 mangoes and you give 2 mangoes to your mother, okay, in starting, how many mangoes you are having? 5. So let's count 5 fingers. How many mangoes you are having? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And if you have given 2 mangoes to your mother, अगर आपने उसमें से 5 में से 2 मैंगो आपने किसको दे दिए? अपनी मदर को. So less 2 mangoes, less means कम. Okay, so you have given these 2 mangoes to your mother, so you have given it. Now how many mangoes you are having? 1, 2 and 3. So subtraction means taking things away. किसी भी things को कम करना. Okay, in subtraction always the answer is lesser. Why? Because in subtraction we are taking things away. So and you know what is the symbol of subtraction? The symbol of subtraction is like this. One slipping line. And using our index finger also we can make a sign of subtraction like this. This is a sign of subtraction. Okay. So what is the meaning of subtraction? Subtraction means taking things away, and the sign of subtraction is like this. Okay. And students, do you know there are so many in our addition also I have explained you some addition facts. There are some rules for addition that are fixed. So in subtraction also there are some subtraction facts, some rules for the subtraction. So only I am going to explain you. No need to write just now anything. You have to only listen and understood what I am explaining. Okay. So the first rule of addition is if we subtract a number by a number itself. Listen carefully what I am telling. If we subtract a number from itself means खुद से. If we have some number, suppose I have having 8 as a number, I have taken here a number 8. So if I subtract 8 by number itself, what is the meaning of number itself? मतलब खुद से. अभी क्या नंबर है इधर? 8. And if 8 is subtracted from 8 itself, अगर 8 से subtract करते हैं, if we subtract a number by itself, that means if we subtract a number, any number if we are subtracting, and if we subtract the number by itself, मतलब खुद को खुद से माइनस कर. Okay, if same numbers are subtracted in other language, in other words, what we will say? If same numbers are subtracted, then what the answer we are obtaining always as 0. If a same number are subtracted, or if a number is subtracted from itself, then always we obtain 0 as a answer. Okay. Now there is another rule for subtraction. That means if we subtract any number to a 0, अगर हम किसी भी नंबर को 0 से subtract करते हैं, if we subtract any number to a 0, like in addition also we have done this rule. If we add any number to a 0, then we get result as an answer itself, as a number itself. So in the same way in subtraction is also there. If we subtract any number to a 0, then we obtain answer as a number itself. तो हमें आंसर क्या मिलता है, जो नंबर है that itself is a answer. Okay, so this is another rule for subtraction. So one more rule is there, one more fact is there. That means if we subtract any number to 1, if we subtract any number to 1, अगर हम किसी भी नंबर को 1 से subtract करते हैं, so what answer we obtain? We obtain its pre-number, that means previous number or before number. Okay, just before number we get a result. So what is the before number of 8? Before number of 8 is 7. So 8 minus 1 is also 7. Okay, so these are, and this and one last fact that you should remember, that we always subtract bigger number from smaller number. We always subtract, the first number should be bigger number and the number that we are subtracting from it should be smaller number. हम हमेशा बड़े नंबर में से छोटे नंबर को subtract करते हैं. Okay, so these are some facts that you have to remember. Not just now you have to write it, but you have to remember it. Okay, so now all of you take out your maths class work copy fast. All of you take out your maths notebook. And take out new page. Always I tell you that new topic always starts from a new page. So take out new page in your notebook and start writing with me. First of all, write today's date. What is the date today? That you have to write here. Date and the topic name. What topic we have started today is subtraction. So on the top of your notebook, write subtraction, S-U-B-T-R-A-C-T-I-O-N, subtraction, and underline it using ruler and pencil. Write fast. Subtraction, S-U-B-T-R-A-C-T-I-O-N, subtraction. Okay, now write what is the meaning of subtraction. So from next line write subtraction means S-U-B-T-R-A-C-T-I-O-N, subtraction means MEANS. Subtraction means, what is the meaning of subtraction? Subtraction means taking away. T-A-K-I-N-G, taking away. Taking away. Subtraction means taking away. Note it down from the board fast and write correctly. Write correct spelling from the board. And write fast in good handwriting. Subtraction means taking away. Subtraction means taking away. Now, what is the sign of subtraction? I have already shown you how we make a sign of subtraction. So, one slipping line like this is the symbol, like this is the sign, S-I-G-N, sign of subtraction. SUBTRACTION. This slipping line, small slipping line, not too big slipping line, only small slipping line is the sign of subtraction. Write this also, write fast, copy in good handwriting. So what we have written, subtraction means taking away, and the next line is small slipping line is the sign of subtraction. Write fast. I hope you have copied it. Now from next line, what you are going, so first let us write the example. So write example 1. Example 1. So write the number here, 7 minus 3. Right? 7 minus 3 is equals to 7 minus 3. Right? First to write the equation, 7 minus 3. How do we read the equation as 7, and the sign of subtraction, we read the sign of subtraction as minus. For example, we read the sign of plus as, we read the sign of addition. This is the sign of addition, and we read this, the sign of addition, as plus. Okay, so in the same way we read the sign of subtraction as minus. How do we read it as minus? Okay, the sum of addition is read as plus and the sign of subtraction is read at minus. Okay, so how do we read this given question? 7 minus 3. Read it with me and repeat after me how I am reading this question. You also try to read the question. 7 minus 3. Say 7 minus 3. Okay. So 7 minus 3. So what is the first number written here? The first number is 7. Okay. And another number is 3. So are you observing? Whenever I have told you before also, when I have explained you the subtraction facts, that we always subtract smaller number from bigger number. We always subtract smaller number. That means the number that is written on the after the sign of minus. The number that is written after the sign of subtraction is smaller number, and the first number is always bigger number. Okay, the first number is always bigger number and the second number is always smaller number. The second number should be smaller than the first number. मतलब जो first number है वो हमेशा बड़ा होगा और जो दूसरा वाला number है वो पहले वाले number से छोटा होगा. Okay, it should be smaller than the first number. Then only the addition is possible. Otherwise, addition is not possible. Okay, so what is the first number written here? The first number is 7. So take out 7 fingers in your hand. Take out 7 fingers. So 5 and 6 and 7. I have taken 7 fingers. You also take out 7 fingers. Now see what is the next number here? 3. That means you have to less 3 numbers. You have to less 3 fingers. Less, what is the meaning of less? Less means kam karna. That means you have to less 3 fingers. So less 3 fingers. Kam kare 3 fingers. 1, 2 and 3. I have less 3 fingers. So how many fingers are left? अब कितनी finger बची है? Okay, now count the remaining fingers. Remaining means बची हुई. So count the remaining fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So remaining fingers are 4. That means if we have taken 3, we have taken 3 from 7, the answer we obtain is 4. The answer we get is 4. So 7 minus 3 is 4. Have you understood how do we subtract given numbers? Take one more example and try to solve yourself. I am writing one more example here and you try to solve yourself. 8 minus 5. Try to read the question and then find the answer. First, okay, so I hope all of you have solved it. So what is the first number here? The first number is 8. So take out 8 fingers. 4 and 4, 8, or 5, 6, 7, 8. In this way also we can take 8 fingers, and 4 is also 8. So in that way also we can take 8 fingers. So 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 fingers I have taken. Now what is the next number written here? The next number is 5. So you have to less 5 fingers. So less 5 fingers. This finger 5 I have less it. So how many fingers remains? Only 1, 2 and 3. So 3 fingers remains. That means 8 minus 5 is 3. So answer is 3. 8 minus 5, answer is 3. Okay. So now what we are going to write? We are going to write some subtraction facts. Okay. Subtraction fact. Subtraction facts. Subtracting a number from itself give 0. Right? Subtraction fact. SUBTRACTION. Subtraction facts. FACTS. Subtraction facts. Write 1. Subtraction facts. Write 1. Subtracting. SUBTRACTING. Subtracting a number. Subtracting a number. Whenever we subtract a number, subtracting a number from itself, हम किसी नंबर को खुद से subtract करते हैं. Subtracting a number from itself gives the answer. हमें क्या आंसर मिलता है अगर हम सेम नंबर को subtract करते हैं? 4 and take out 4 will give 0. So we get the answer always a big 0. So write fast. Subtracting a number from itself gives the answer 0. Subtracting a number from itself gives the answer 0. Write the example also. 4 minus 4 is 0. Another example. 6 minus 6 is also 0. Write it. Okay, subtracting a number from itself, that means if we subtract a number from a number itself, we get answer as 0. And I have given you 2 examples also. That means 4, subtracting from 4 itself is answer 0, and 6 subtracting from 6 itself will be 0. Write fast. I hope all of you have written it, copied it. Okay. So, see. Now, we stop here our writing work, and what we are going to do, open page number 64. So many tables are there. So try to read the table and solve those table, and answer is also written. So try to read this. How do we read this? I am reading this. Okay. That means a number subtracting from a number itself. That means 10 minus 10 is 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. 8 minus 8 is 0. 7 minus 7 is 0. Are you listening what I am reading? And pay attention in your book also. 6 minus 6 is 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. And 0 minus 0 is also 0. That means if same number are subtracting, then we obtain 0 as a result. Now see the second table. I am reading the second table, that is given in blue. See how I am reading and try to read yourself. आप भी पढ़ने की कोशिश करें कि हम कैसे read करते हैं. Okay. 10 minus 8 is 2. So take out 10 fingers. Okay. Here are 10 fingers, and how many fingers you have to less? 8. So 5, 6, 7 and 8. And what is the answer? 2. So 2 is written. So 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. 8 minus 6 is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. And at last 2 minus 0 is also 2. So try to read yourself also. How do we read the question? Okay. So dear students, for today it is sufficient. And what is your homework for today? Your homework, today I am not giving you the writing homework. So what is the homework? That the remaining tables, so many tables have remained in this page also, this table, and on page number 65 also. So many tables are there. So try to read this table and try to solve the question in your fingers using your hand, and see what the answer is there, and answer is also given. So match your answer. Okay. So only you have to read. Okay. So note down the homework. What is the homework? Homework is read. You have to read page number. Which page number you have to read? 64 and 65. Okay. So for today it is sufficient. We will start our new topic. We will continue with the same topic, subtraction, in our next lecture. Till then, good day. Have a nice day. Take care.